need any water or anything? All right, so my car is finally getting cleaned. He's out there doing it right now. I'm so excited. Haven't had my car cleaned in like too freaking long, to be honest. Right now I'm just making a reel for Burlington. I'm trying to get sponsored, okay? Get sponsored, but I will show you guys the after of the vehicle when he's done. Update on the car. He's doing the inside now. The car is done. Ooh, wait. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Dang, it's been so long. Yes, sir.
It wasn't bad. So I just really ain't really do too much.
That's good.
Just give me $40.
I'm not doing that. Come on, man. 40 bucks. You've been out here about 2 hours.
Like, I was taking my time because you're my last car, so I wasn't in no rush.
I appreciate that.
No problem.
You want Cash App, Zelle?
Some deal.
All right. Ooh, that thing smells good. Mmm. Yes, sir. We clean, bro. All right. Guys, so it's like a couple days later, maybe like 2 days later. Just got a package, so we're about to open this. I think I know what it is. I think it's the piggy bank. Wow, it is so cold in here. And I thought I turned the AC up. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that this is the, or maybe not. Oh no, this is not. Okay, I thought it was my piggy bank, but it's not. This is some new mailers for the business. I got this color for spring. I thought it would be a really cute match. I just need to go to the dollar store to buy some of the crinkle cut. And then I purchased a microphone for recording my videos. So I'm gonna test this out starting tomorrow. I just got home from work. I am about to eat some cereal because apparently I'm a child and that's all I eat. I eat cereal any time of the day, literally. So that's what I'm about to do. So y'all know I got this new cereal dispenser. I'm gonna go ahead and dispense my cereal. I'm only in the mood for tricks. This isn't just here for decoration. Okay, let's rotate it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And 4 because I'm greedy. I love this dispenser. It really encourages me not to make my cereal go stale or to have my milk sitting in the fridge for too long. My milk expires a lot. My milk has expired so many times because I just let it sit and the milk is done. So I am about to just eat my cereal and lay down for a little bit. And I will see y'all back when it's time for me to, oh, I got too much milk. Gotta add more cereal. I'll see y'all back when it's time for me to run some errands. I have my glasses on today. You can tell what kind of week I've been having. I did not set my bed or make my bed, but whatever. It is what it is. I live on my own. I can do what I want. I literally could do what I want. But right now it's some me time. I'm about to finish watching this video on how to better edit my content. And I will see y'all in a little bit. I like me with glasses. Hey guys. All right, see y'all in a bit. What's up, you guys? It's later in the day and I am about to take this wig off. But I'm gonna try a little something ghetto. I'm gonna try something a little ghetto. I'm gonna wash my wig while it's still on my head because it needs to be washed anyways. I like to wash my wigs after I wear them. So I'm gonna wash it while it's on my head, and then hopefully that, you know, the shampoo takes the wig off, because it's lifting but it's not off. As you can see, I can still pull on it. Ooh, that hurt. And yeah, so we're gonna try something. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. We'll see. I actually am going to put these things on. I got these from Burlington a few weeks ago, and they are vanity sink hair catchers. So I'm gonna put one in each sink in the house, and I'm gonna try to put one in the bathroom sink, or bathroom tub, in the tub. I'm gonna try to put one in the tub. Hopefully it'll fit. Let me put some clothes on, because I ain't got time to be going through no Drano. So it's a pack of 6. Ooh, it's not gonna stretch to that. All right, I guess I'm gonna put the gray one, the white one. What it looks like, it has like little ridges and little spikes to catch hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here. Oh gosh, what the heck? These things are not stretchy at all. Barely. Oh, okay, there we go. All right, so that's that. I'm gonna try to put one over here. Oh gosh, I just broke it in half because I pulled it a little too much. Wait, maybe I can do it. Maybe I could just put it on the side since it's broke. Oh yeah, that'll work. See that? I guess it was meant to be broken. All right, so I'm about to try to wash my hair, wash this wig off, and wash my hair under. When I'm done, I will check back with you guys in about 10-15 minutes. We'll see. Well, I need to take a shower too, so in about 20 minutes. And then you guys will see what this hair is looking like. Let's see if it comes off. If it does, I'm gonna make it come off because I need this off. Period. All right. The shower. Yeah. I ended up washing my hair. I still have a little bit stuff to take out, but the wig is washed and it is hanging right there in the shower, just drying off. I conditioned it and everything, whatever. I don't really care. But yeah, I'm about to dry off my hair and go eat. So see y'all in a little bit.